Oh my God, I want to just do your whole body in this. I'm not even kidding you. I have to stop myself. Is it even New Year's Eve if we don't pile glitter on our eyes? I mean, that's the funnest part of this holiday. So stick around because I'm gonna show you exactly how to get this glittery eye look that is perfectly balanced for any event you go to. We're gonna start with the focus of this New Year's Eve look, which is the eyes. This is from Sephora collection, and these are their shadow liner sticks. They make a great base for any eye look. When you think of eyeshadows, think of powdered eyeshadows like a sheer fabric. Cream eyeshadows are like cotton. So even a light color like this, in a photo, it's still gonna give you some definition. I have prepped Sadie's eyes with some primer and some powder because these work really good when you use them over a little bit of powder. Just really bringing that through the crease in her eye there and then just blending it out. All right, now we're gonna get into some powdered eyeshadow. So we've got our cream base in there. We're gonna be using the Icy Nude from Huda Beauty. And I mean, look at this palette, just absolutely gorgeous.
So pretty.
We're gonna actually go in with this tone right here first. We're gonna use that right on top of that base we did. So I do use a small brush when I'm applying dark colors. It helps you to keep it more in control. So I'm gonna switch from this tone now to this lighter tone as we get more closer to the inner part of the eye, just so that we get that same definition, but it's not too dark. Now, if you want, you can take a big fluffy brush and just buff out the outside. It's gonna allow me to really soften the edges. Same brush, going back to that original tone we used. And now we're gonna go under, really sticking to the outside of the under part of the eye. And then for the inner portion, again, going to this lighter tone right here. A nice, chunky, glittery, silvery, delicious New Year's Eve shade. Here's my tip with this. The likelihood of it applying best with your fingers is very high. The heat of your hand really melts that together. Wow, this shade is so pretty on you.
I was hoping you would pick this one. Reminds me like a total disco ball.
Yes.
Night out.
That's what I wanted. I was like, I want jewelry on your eyes, basically. I want to mix two glitters, and this is what's really fun about New Year's, just go all the way. I want to do this one, which has a little bit of a blue reflex to it, and I'm going to do it more towards the inner portion of the eye. Ooh, absolutely love this. Okay, so the final thing I want to do is a little pop to the brow bone, but because we have some glitter and shimmer on the eyelid, I don't want to use shimmer and glitter on the brow bone too. So I'm going to use a lighter tone, and we're going to use it right here at the apex of the brow. This is gonna give us that really beautiful pop and definition to the brow. So the shadows are all done here. I'm feeling really good. Now, before I move on to mascara, I wanna use an eyeliner. Top waterline is just underneath the lashes. Even without mascara, you can see how much definition that really put to her eyes. So now I'm just gonna throw a little mascara on and just a touch of a lash, and then we'll move on from there. Okay, so we've got the eyes done. Now we gotta think about the rest of the look. For the cheeks, I'm actually just gonna use this product from Charlotte Tilbury. This is Glowgasm, one of my favorite products. And it's kind of a hybrid of a blush and a highlighter. So it's got this little fun sponge applicator. You can squeeze the product up. I do recommend going light with the squeeze because the product comes out pretty heavily. So I'm just going to tap on the high point of the cheek. You can see it's that's very much all you probably are going to need. I do find that the warmth of your own hand is gonna melt it in just really effortlessly. So now we're gonna go on to the lip. So I'm gonna use a neutral tone that's slightly deeper than Sadie's Skin. So this is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the lip liner in Deep Taupe. And what I want from this is just a nice definition. And then I'm actually gonna use this to fill in her lip. Here's where you can have a little fun in with the Charlotte Pinkgasm. Take a little bit of this product and just add it right over. And the reflectiveness of the highlighter is gonna kind of create that fun frosted effect. Gives like nice dimension. This is a fun way to just play with stuff, but I ain't done with the lip yet. Final touch, a little gloss. Nothing too colorful. This is a really nice coppery shimmer from Dior. It's gonna be the perfect finishing touch to this look. Okay, Sadie, are you ready to see the final New Year's Eve look?
I can't wait.
Okay, take a look. Tell me what you think.
Wow.
Pretty.
I'm obsessed. This is so fun.
I'm obsessed with the glitter.
It's
I might
everything.
just highlight her whole entire face and body with the glitter.
Do it. I love it. Put some in my hair.
So there you have it, the perfect New Year's Eve look. A really fun, sparkly eye that's definitely gonna catch everyone's attention. That's balanced off perfectly with a soft, chic cheek duo and a glossy lip. It's the perfect New Year's Eve combo. We'll see you all out on the dance floor. Bye, everyone.